Hello friends and neighbors. We're trenching in water line, getting it covered up. Got in more than 16 inches deep, because that should be good to go for around here. Gonna have to finish hand digging underneath there for it. Also got a line there for the electrical and stuff. It's gonna come down next to that post right there, and then the electrical will be up in between the floor joists running over to the panel, so don't have to do anything special there. Just come out of the ground down there by the post. I'll have to cross the water line, but that's not that big a deal because I'll have a pretty good sized hole there, and you don't have to worry about someone digging with a machine there because it's so close up underneath the building. All right, everybody, have fun. Hike safe.